Hi guys, I've decided to start a YouTube channel mainly because I feel that a lot of people are getting the very wrong perspective of South Africa. And look, I don't want to go out there blaming everybody else. I don't want to blame the rest of the world. I don't want to blame the media networks. But what I do want to do is I do want to start telling the truth about South Africa. I know that a lot of people are going to disagree with what I have to say. Nonetheless, I think there's certain stories about South Africa that need to get out there, which the mainstream media are just simply not going to provide. There's stories that they're not going to tell. And the reason for this is primarily because they don't sell headlines. Negativity sells headlines, shock and awe sells headlines, and the positive stories, well, they just don't sell headlines. So I feel that a lot of people are really getting the wrong end of the stick, and I think it's time that somebody starts showing the true story behind South Africa. Now, first off, let me just say, I live a very good lifestyle in South Africa. I live an upper class lifestyle. I drive a nice car, I live in a nice house. I have many advantages over the average South African. I get that. So before anybody goes out there and says, oh, but you're one of the few fortunate. Let me also say that I've lost everything more than once in this country, and I've made it back in this country. So the fact of the matter is that if you're prepared to work hard, if you're prepared to be positive, if you're prepared to look at the world around you slightly differently to everybody else, then it can be an incredible place. And of course that is true for any country around the world. But there are certain things about South Africa, having traveled all around the world, there are certain things about South Africa which you just cannot get anywhere else. I think as ordinary citizens, instead of bitching and complaining all the time, it's time for us to actually stop, stand still, take account of what we have, and stop looking overseas all the time. I'm so tired of South Africans looking overseas and always saying the grass is greener on the other side. Oh, but look at them. They have this and we don't have that. Let me tell you something. South Africa has an abundance of everything. We have an abundance of amazing people. We have an abundance of amazing talent. We have an abundance of incredible weather. We have an abundance of nature. And we have an abundance of natural resources. And it is up to us as ordinary citizens in South Africa to tell the true South African story. The true South African story is that we have incredible space around us. The true South African story is that we can drink our tap water. The true story about South Africa is that we have the most incredible meat. We have the most incredible food. The true story about South Africa is that we have the most incredible people. We just have to wake up to that fact. I want to say to every single South African overseas has left South Africa for whatever reason, it is time for you to come home. It is time for you to come back to where you belong. South Africa needs you. South Africa wants you. You need to undergo a mindset change. This is not the old South Africa. Things are not the way it used to be. You need to come here with a different set of values and a different set of perceptions. And if you're prepared to do that, and you're prepared to add to this country, and you're prepared to give as much as you take, then I can tell you this is the best place on earth. And I want to say to all foreign tourists who want to come to South Africa, don't be put off by the media headlines, because most of it is just sensationalism. I'm not going to deny we have problems in this country. Every country around the world has problems. But South Africa holds my heart so dearly because it is truly one of the warmest, most passionate, incredible places on earth. And that comes from the people.
South Africa, South Africa.